welcome to my new tutorial. My name is Varun Kumar Riat. I'm a SEO freelancer. As you can see, I have just got my first project on Upwork, which is $10, and this is my Upwork profile, and this is a answer question for a Netherlands client. I'm trying to get new projects. So, guys, I wanted to show you how to use which tool is better, is monitor backlinks better, and also is Mangools Seo better. It has those 5 things and it's cheap, gives 30-day trial too. Right now we will try to for this Netherlands website. It's a psychiatrist website. अभी हम इसको देखते हैं. Not that tough. Go to you translator and put the link over here. Site provider analyze. Yes, so here I can do, and same here, put the link over here in monitor backlinks and add domain. Now I can go and check in both the audit tools. Here it has come up and I can see that the status of the website 7,000 backlinks, and it has lost 111 backlinks, and do follow links, it doesn't have referring domains, only one. Anchor text not competitors. Over here it will show. It's not showing, but fine, it does show the competitors for this. So here I come to know about the basic things. Domain authority 3, page authority 15, citation flow, trust flow, fast Facebook shares, and the rest I've told you. Now let's see over here. The keyword here in the monitor backlinks. I did one keyword and then add keyword. That will show me a lot of backlinks, about 20-30 pages. This one shows right now the new links. I can program because it's no follow, it's no follow. It's not good as you guys. This one seems like map listing. This is a map listing Kwfinder.co.no. So ये नॉर्वे से है, these are Norway, and link analysis, competitors rank tracker. So the price of this one is 47 USD, 37 USD per month, and the price of this one is a bit more. Let's see now what this site Mangools tool shows for link analysis. Go here, put the link here, the website, find backlinks, and it's also trial version, so I'll be soon buying this tool. I'm finding this one good, and the other ones I have are Semrush is good, but it's very expensive, or this is not much expensive also. So this one. So guys, showing it has very few backlinks. This site is very new, and it has only 5 to 10 backlinks. From both are showing from the same place only. Row Club. Both tools are showing from same place. So this is a forum site. So guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you how to use these tools, and hope you like this video. This was monitor backlinks as well as Mangools tool, and it has keyword finder, SERP checker, SERP watchers, link miner, site profiler, and you can take a trial of both these and then later on decide which to buy. I will buy Mangools tool, but the other one, competitor backlink, is monitor backlinks, is also very good tool. Let's see what's price, because we have to have tools when you are, especially when you are using sites like especially when you are doing freelancing on sites like Upwork. There you won't be able to see 47 per month में है, and 30-day trial, 89 4 competitors, and 47 only 4 competitors, 2 domains. That's the thing. Okay. And $25 also it has a plan. 187, 139, 106. So hope you like this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I will soon upload another video of SEO and gaming and web designing too. My name is Varun Kumar Riat, signing off. Bye.